Organic chicken sausages. Aldi offers a diverse selection of organic chicken sausages with exciting flavors like chicken spinach and spring greens with garlic, and organic mild sausages. These sausages are made with high-quality ingredients such as organic, non-GMO chicken, and a blend of spinach, kale, arugula, garlic, dill, and black pepper. They contain no added sugar, preservatives, or mystery meat. Amy Lou chicken sausages. Another great option is the Amy Lou chicken sausages made with GMO-free chicken and cheddar cheese. These sausages offer a delicious combination of flavors, making them a favorite among customers. Ice cream. Aldi's Keto ice cream is a fantastic choice for those following a keto or low-sugar diet. Sweetened with erythritol and monk fruit. This ice cream contains no added sugar in the chocolate chips and uses coconut oil and real vanilla extract. It has only 5 grams of net carbs per serving, allowing you to indulge guilt-free. Leg of lamb butterfly. Aldi's Savor section features the leg of lamb butterfly, perfect for those looking to try something different. This grass-fed lamb is ideal for grilling and offers a unique and flavorful meal. Organic 85 to 15 ground beef. For beef lovers, Aldi offers organic 85 to 15 ground beef sourced from grass-fed cattle. This high-quality ground beef is perfect for various dishes such as burgers, meatballs, and tacos, adding great flavor to your favorite recipes.